unleash your camera and let it fly. Only dream of. Selfie takes off and hovers autonomously, operated in real time through your phone to catch the perfect shot you want. Selfie flies by itself like an invisible tripod, easily controlled by a smart flying camera. Anything your smartphone is able to detect or process could be sent to control Selfie and enable incredible features like face and smile recognition, or even follow your movements. And of course, you can share them instantly on all your social platforms. Selfie folds to a 9mm from a new, exciting angle.
How wonderful the world is, how far it can fly with you. SS-41, the Beetle drone, to achieve your imaginative aerial footage. The application of optical flow positioning technology allows you to take HD aerial footage. Dual camera capturing images to meet your creative aerial photography needs. At the same time, you can also freely switch to real-time viewing modes and gain more beautiful moments. Gesture control function to make selfie easier with just a peace sign gesture. Easy to get high-definition vivid figures. Change your gesture to switch to personal video creating. With the SS-41 Beetle, you can also become a video editor, collecting images, creating MV, and sharing the joy of flight. Simple flight control brings distinctive speed and passion. Fun and creative show time makes flying more comfortable and enjoyable.